let's do this together. So to do this one, from equation 1, we will make y the subject of formula, so that we'll have y equals to, taking this to the other side, you have 4 minus x. This is equation 3. So we will substitute equation 3 into equation 2. That is, this will be here, it will be x, wherever y is, we'll replace this one, it will be bracket 4 minus x plus bracket equals to, this will be 16. So what we'll do here is, we'll open this bracket so that we'll have 4x minus x squared equals to 16. So what we'll do here, we can decide to, we'll solve this quadratically. So let's take everything to the other side, so that it will be x squared minus 4x plus 16 all equals to 0. So to solve this one, I will prefer to use quadratic formula. Quadratic formula that sets, the coefficient here, we have ax squared plus bx plus c all equals to 0. So it means that the coefficient here, a is equals to 1 and b is equals to minus 4, then c is equals to 16. So when we do this one, then we'll now have as x is equals to minus b positive negative square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So wherever you see a, you put 1. Wherever you see b, you put minus 4. Wherever you see c, you put this. So we'll have this one here. We'll have this one to be the same thing as x equals to, our b is minus 4. So it will be minus open bracket minus 4 in bracket positive negative square root of, this will give us the same thing as minus 4 in bracket square minus 4 in bracket 1 bracket another bracket 16 all over 2 in bracket 1. So we've substituted